you, welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Today our topic is integers, worksheet 1. Okay, practice problems class 6. See the example. The predecessor and successor of minus 123 are. What is predecessor? Predecessor means subtract 1 from given number. Okay, given number. What is given number here? Minus 123. Minus 1, subtract 1. Okay. Here two numbers are having same sign. So add the numbers and the appropriate sign. So here two numbers are having same sign. So you need to add two numbers. You add 123 plus 1. Write minus and 124. Suppose two signs are plus. 123 plus 123 plus 1. Then also you have to add two numbers and write plus. Okay, 124. 123 plus 1. Remember, if two signs are same, you need to add the numbers and write the appropriate symbol, that is minus or plus. And predecessor is equal to minus 124. Successor means successor add 1. Okay, add 1 to given number. Add 1 to given number means what is the given number here? Minus 123 plus 1. Add means plus 1. So here 1 is equal to, here two signs are different signs. So you need to subtract smaller number from bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? Minus 123. So 123 is the bigger number. 123 minus what? 122. Which symbol has the bigger number? Minus. So minus 122. Okay. So the predecessor and successor of minus 123 is minus 124 comma minus 122. Okay, this is the predecessor and successor of minus 122. Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? 4 is A 4 is greater than 5. B minus 3 is greater than minus 2. 0 is less than minus 1. Okay, 3 is greater than 4. Which is the correct statement of the, which is the correct statement? See, write the number line. 4 is already, you know that 4 is greater than 5. Write the number line. In between write 0. Right side of the numbers are increasing numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Okay, these are positive numbers. These are negative numbers. Right, left side of the 0 are increasing numbers and so on. Okay, here 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4. Like that, it is increasing values. These are increasing values. Here left side of the numbers are, see, minus 1, minus 2 is less than minus 1, minus 3 is less than minus 2, minus 4 is less than minus 4, minus 5 is less than minus 4. These are decreasing values, right? Here 4 is, so 4, see, 4 is greater than 5 is the correct answer. Minus 3 is greater than minus 2. Is it right? Minus 3 is greater than minus 2. No. Minus 3, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. So this is the wrong. And 0 is less than minus 1. 0 either positive or negative. Okay. Either positive or negative. So this is also wrong. And 3 is greater than 4. 3 is greater than 4. No. 3 is less than 4. This is also wrong. So our answer is 4 is greater than 5. Value of an integer is always greater than dash or equal to dash. See, the absolute value of an integer. Absolute value means absolute value is nothing but distance of the given number from 0. Okay, distance of the number from 0. Okay, that is always positive number. Positive, that will be absolute value will be always positive number. It represents det of x is equal to det of x. See, write the number line 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Positive numbers, negative numbers and so on. These are negative numbers. Det of x, take any number from the number line. Suppose 2. Det of 2 is equal to 2. Okay, plus or minus you have to take every time. Distance will be in positive. Okay, so take 2. Det of sometimes 0, then it will be 0. Okay, sometimes take 2 starts only 0 or greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0. Okay, that is the 0. The absolute value is always 0 or greater than 0 every time. So the absolute value of an integer is always greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0 or equal to 0. Sometimes distance it will start at 0 and ending point also 0. So sometimes it will be 0 or positive number. Okay, so that is the greater than 0 or equal to 0. That is the absolute value. If we add minus 13 to the difference of minus 7 and 5, then we have, okay, difference, the difference, add that minus 13 to the difference of minus 7 and 5. First we need to subtract minus 7 and 5. Difference means subtract of minus 7 and 5. Subtract of minus 7 and 5 is equal to minus 7 and 5. Minus 7 minus 5. Okay, not 5 minus 7. Minus 7 and 5. Difference of minus 7 and 5. So minus 7 minus 5. Okay, is equal to minus 7 minus 5 minus first see here, two symbols are negative symbols, negative signs. So write first minus and add 2 numbers. 7 plus 5 12. Okay, 7 plus 5 12 minus 12. Okay, now add minus 13 to the 13 of the difference of minus 7 and 5 means where we got minus 7 minus 5 is equal to minus 12. So minus 12 add means plus, minus 13, number is minus 13. Okay, right, minus 13 is equal to here, see, minus 12. Here minus into minus, bracket means it represents plus into. Okay, the meaning, this meaning is bracket meaning is into. Already I told you minus into minus is equal to plus, plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into plus is equal to minus, minus plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, here two symbols are different symbols. See, plus into minus, plus into minus, we got minus. So minus 12 as it is you write, and minus into plus into minus write minus 13. Okay, okay, minus 12 minus 13 is equal to write here as it is, you write minus 12. Okay, plus into minus, minus 30. Okay, now again two signs are same signs, right? So write minus and add two numbers. Why? Because two symbols are same sign, so you have to add the numbers. 12 plus 13, 25. Minus 25 is the answer. So we got minus 25. Fifth one. Okay, minus 5 into minus 4. Minus, see here, minus into minus, plus, right? Plus 5 fours are between into multiplication, so 4s are 20. Okay, minus into minus plus, and 5 fours are 20. Minus into minus plus. Simplification of 18 plus 3 plus 7 minus 8 plus 6 minus 5 plus 3 minus 9. Okay, see here we have to follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS, BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS rule. See here, three types of brackets are there. See, one is box bracket, that is big bracket, curly bracket, and third one is small bracket. So, and plus symbols and minus symbols. So we have to follow the BODMAS rule. B means here brackets. Okay. O means off. Off is nothing but multiplication. Okay. D, division. And M, multiplication. A means add, addition. And S means subtraction. Okay, you have to do first bracket values. You have to simplify the values of brackets, and afterwards division. After division you have to simplify multiplication. Multiplication after addition. Addition after subtraction. Like that you have to simplify the given question. See here three types of brackets. See, one is small bracket. See, small bracket, and second one is curly bracket. Curly bracket is nothing but middle bracket, and box bracket that is big bracket. Okay, big bracket. Like that. First you need to simplify the value of small bracket value, and afterwards curly bracket value you need to simplify. Again after finally you need to simplify big bracket. Like, see, first you write the given question. 18 plus 3 plus 7 minus 8 plus 6 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, sorry. Okay, from 7 curly bracket it is. Okay, 3 plus 3 curly bracket close. Okay, again minus 9. As it is, I have written as it is the question. See, now you simplify value of small bracket first. Okay, as it is you write plus 18 plus 3 plus again curly bracket 7 minus 8 plus 6 minus 5. Simplify value of small bracket. Okay, only I am changing this value only. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, here plus, so plus 1 plus 3 as it is you write, and close curly bracket minus 9. Okay, small bracket gone. Again you simplify the curly bracket, that is middle bracket. Simplify the value of curly bracket. Again same as it is you write 18. I am not changing any places of any numbers of 18, any numbers in 18, any numbers of big box bracket. Okay, 18 as it is you write, plus again big bracket 3 plus simplify curly bracket value. Okay, 7 minus 8 plus 1 plus 3. 7 is the positive value. Here before the number there is no symbol, so you have to consider the plus value, positive number. So plus 7 plus 1 plus 3. First you add plus values. Plus 7 plus 1 no 8. 8 plus 3 11. Okay, 11 minus 8 3. 11 minus 8 3. Okay, plus 3. Why? Because the number is plus value, plus 7 is greater than minus 8, so write plus here, again minus. Okay, clear? Again 18 plus 3 plus 3 6 minus 9. Here 18 plus 6 minus 9 minus 3. 6 minus 9 we can't subtract, so subtract 9 minus 6 3. Which sign has the bigger number? Minus sign, so write minus and 3. So finally 8 minus 3 is equal to 15. 18 minus 3 15. 1 5 15. Symbol plus symbol has a bigger value, so write plus value and 8 minus 3 15. 18 minus 3 15. So our answer is 15. Okay. Okay, seventh one. If delta is an operation such that for integers a and b, okay, delta is an operation such that the integers a and b, then a delta b is equal to minus a plus b plus minus 2. Okay, here a and b are two integers, then a delta b is equal to minus a plus b plus minus 2. Then 2 delta minus 4 equals to what? See, give here a delta b is equal to given a delta b is equal to minus a plus b plus minus 2. Okay, what is the value of 2 delta minus 4? 2 delta minus 4. See, in a place there is 2, in b place there is 4. So a is equal to integers, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4. Okay, a and b are two integers, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 according to given equation. So 2 delta minus 4 is equal to, write minus, according to equation write minus, the value of a is equal to 2, okay, write 2 plus b, the value of b is equal to minus 4, write 4, minus 4, okay, and plus minus 2, according to equation I have written minus 2. Okay, clear? And write minus 2. See, plus into minus, bracket means here plus. Okay, inside the bracket there is minus, so plus into minus, minus 4. Again plus into minus, inside the bracket minus and outside the bracket plus, so minus into minus, minus into plus, minus 2. Okay, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. 3 numbers are in negative sign, negative numbers, so write minus and add 3 numbers. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, minus 8. Minus 8 is the required answer. So therefore required answer, our answer is a delta, 2 delta minus 4 is equal to minus 8 is the answer. Okay, the sum of two integers is 23. Okay, if one integer is minus 11, then the other integer is what? Sum of two integers given here, given sum of two integers is 23 and one integer value is minus 11, and what is the another integer. Let us see another integer. Let other integer is equal to x. Other integer is equal to x. Okay, one integer value we got 11, minus 11. So sum of two integers is equal to minus 23 they gave. So minus two integers, sum of two, one integer is 11, minus 11, and the another integer is x. So minus sum means add. Minus 7 plus x is equal to 23 according to question. Okay, according to question. Okay, clear? See, minus is equal to x is equal to, here minus 11, after is equal to it will be plus, minus will be plus, right? 23 after is equal to minus will be plus, and 11, minus 11 will be plus 11. So x is equal to 23 plus 11, 4. So therefore other integer is equal to what? 34. Okay, ninth one. The cube of a negative integer is a what? See, cube of, take any integer, negative integer. Suppose 5 minus 5. Cube means whole cube. Minus 5 whole cube is equal to minus 5 whole cube is equal to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. See here, minus into minus plus, two signs are same, minus into minus plus, again plus into minus, two signs are different, so minus. Okay, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Minus, here 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. We got negative integer. Again minus 125 is equal to negative integer. And tell me one more example. Take any 2, minus 2 whole cube. Okay, minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again negative integer. Okay, negative integer. Again take any one more example. Take 1000 whole cube. Also you will get negative integer. See, minus 1000 into minus 1000 into minus 1000. Okay, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, again 10,000 thousands are something like 1 crore, like you will get the answer. So in any number of whole cube, any negative integer of whole cube is equal to a negative integer. Okay, negative integer, and is negative integer. Okay, the cube of a negative integer is always a negative integer. 10th one, last but not least. Okay, just in the decreasing order of minus 4, 3, 0, minus 2, 3, minus 6. Okay, write the decreasing order of given numbers. Decreasing order means big number to small number. Decreasing order means big to small. Which is the big number here? You write the number line and tell the answer. Write in the comment box. Okay, write in the comment box. This is homework for you. Homework. Okay, homework for you. This is write decreasing order in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching.